noticed? So earlier tonight, I made a joke about my tablet and the drink called Tab. It's like this. I'm just gonna go downstairs to get my tab so I can drink my tab. Yeah. And fun fact, if you don't know what I'm talking about, Tab was actually a drink from the 1980s. Yeah. But for some reason, it's been discontinued. It's gone. Yeah. But now there's Dr. Pepper. And I don't know if that's getting discontinued or not, but we'll just never know when Dr. Pepper is going to